Hello and welcome back to Simple-ESL and Grammar Made Simple by ESL. So, in the last lesson, we looked at how to make positive present simple sentences and we practiced the rules for S and ES plus irregular verbs with be and have. Now we're going to focus on the present simple negative. In other words, how to say something is not true or you don't do something. We touched on this in our last Grammar Made Simple lesson, but this is a useful skill and we're going to build on this as we use negatives all the time. For example, I don't like coffee. She doesn't work on Fridays. They don't live here. In this lesson, we will learn how to use don't and doesn't correctly, where the verb goes in a negative sentence, and some of the common mistakes to avoid. So let's get started with today's lesson. And we're going to start with the present simple negative with the verb to be. Now, the easiest place to start with be is because it takes a different it takes a different form from other verbs. So most verbs we need don't or doesn't to make it negative, but with be we do not use this. We don't use don't or doesn't. So instead, there's a very simple rule. For the verb to be, it stays in the same. It stays the same in positive and in negative. The only difference is we add not after the verb. So here is the structure. The structure is subject plus am, is, or are, and then not and the rest of your sentence. So I am a farmer. This becomes I am not a farmer. So we have the subject, am, is, or are, depending on the subject, then not. So the positive sentence, I am a farmer, becomes negative. We keep am and add not. You can also shorten this to I'm not a farmer. So let's look at this example. She is happy becomes she is not sad. So she is not sad. What else have we changed here? So she is not sad. We've changed happy to sad to do the opposite. So it has the same meaning. She is happy. She is not sad. So it has the same meaning. They are teachers. They are not students. So we don't forget the structure for this. We have subject plus am, is, or are, then we add not. And let's have a look at negative contractions. In real English, especially spoken or informal English, we often shorten words. These short forms are called contractions. So they become shorter. It's very common, and if you understand them, listening becomes much easier. So on this slide, we can see that we're focusing on negative sentences with be, especially is not and are not. So there are two ways that we can contract these sentences. So contraction first, the first one, subject, and then the verb can be contracted. So you are becomes you are not. You're not. So you are, we take away the A and we add in the apostrophe. You're not. So if we do with he is, be he's. So HE apostrophe S. The other way we can do this is contracting the verb and not. So this means we shorten is not to or are not into one word. So is not would become isn't. Are not would become aren't. So we take away the O, are not, contract it, push it together. Aren't. So let's take a look at some more examples. You are not a doctor can be contracted to you're not a doctor or you aren't a doctor. He's not a farmer or he isn't a farmer. So he is not a farmer can be contracted. They are not American. This can be squashed, contracted. They're not American. They aren't American. So, two ways we can contract with be as negatives. We can contract it by using the subject and the verb, squashing them together, or the verb and not, and squashing them together. Now we're going to stay with contractions and focus on a common mistake learners make. So we've already been through this, but in spoken and informal English, we often use contractions. Is not and are not can be contracted in two ways. So the subject and the verb can be contracted, or the verb and not can be contracted. But let's look at a common mistake that can happen. So sometimes when we're going through English, we can use the wrong version. So I am not, we can say I am't a teacher. So where might you hear this? You might hear particular dialects, but this isn't correct. We do not normally contract am not into one word. This is incorrect. We would say I'm not a teacher. So don't forget when we can contract the verb and not. This is with be. So this would be a case where we need to do the subject and the verb. So I am not. Let's have a look at some further information here on forming present simple negatives with other verbs. So we've already learned some important rules on how to make present simple, but let's do this with normal verbs. So for verbs other than be, we use do not or doesn't before the base form of the verb to form the negatives. So I like work. I play. I eat. These can all be changed with I do not work. I do not play. So the main verb stays in the base form. This means we do not add s when we're doing the negative. So this is the structure. Subject plus do not or does not, then the base form of the verb. So I work outside becomes I do not work outside, or I don't. We can squash, contract do not into don't. He works inside. He does not work inside. That can also become doesn't. So we can squash does and not into doesn't. They work at 8 a.m. They do not start work at 8 a.m. So they start work at 8 a.m. They do not start work at 8 a.m. Or don't start work at 8 a.m. So the subject is they, so we use do not. So a quick reminder, the simple rule, negative present simple, we use do or does depending on the subject, add not and the base form of the verb. And a big mistake to avoid, do not add an S when it's he, she, or it to the verb. It's not he doesn't works, it's he doesn't work. And now we're going to try to understand how to form simple negatives with do not or does not. And we're going to contract these so we can sound more natural. So in spoken informal English, we use contractions as we did with the verb to be. So this will be done in exactly the same way. Do not becomes don't. Does not becomes doesn't. These mean exactly the same thing. They're just shorter and it's more conversational. We use these in English when we're speaking all the time. So the grammar rule stays the same. Don't or doesn't plus the base form of the verb. The main verb still has no S. So you do not have a computer. You don't have a computer. He does not live in Los Angeles. He doesn't live in Los Angeles. Here the subject is he. so we use does not. We don't like coffee. We do not like coffee. These are the same. The subject here is we, so we use do not. So remember, I, you, we, they don't. He, she, it doesn't. And we're going to have a look at some common mistakes people make with the present simple negative. If you avoid these, you'll sound more natural in English. So, he does not works inside. So, keeping the S in negative sentences is a common mistake. Here, the mistake is works. So, he does not works inside. So keeping the S in the negative sentence when it's he, she, or it. Remember, when we use does not or doesn't, the main verb must be in the base form. So we remove the S. He does not work inside. She does not is happy. So using do not or does not with the verb to be. What's gone wrong here? This is wrong because be does not use do or does in negative. With be, we simply add not to the verb. So, got to remember with the verb to be, she is not happy. We can just add not to the verb to be. So, try to remember these two rules. These are the biggest issues, the biggest mistakes that happen with present simple negative. And we're going to try now a bit of a gap fill exercise. Your job is to complete each sentence with the correct negative form of the verb. Remember the two rules. She, not be, a teacher. Here the verb is be and the subject is she. So we would use is not. She is not a teacher. We could also say she isn't a teacher. They not work on weekends. Here the verb is work, so it's a normal verb. So what do we use? Subject is they, so we use do not or don't. They don't work on weekends. Let's take a look at our next question. He not have a pet. The verb is have, so it's a normal verb. Subject is he. So do we use does not or doesn't? He doesn't have a pet. Notice have stays in the base form, not has. I not live in Paris. The verb is live, which is a normal verb. So the subject is I. So what do we use? Do not or don't. I don't live in Paris. We not be tired. So the verb is be again. The subject is we. So what's the correct form? Need the correct form of be and then add not. We are not tired. Well done if you got those correct. And if you need more practice, you can always use the worksheets available on our Patreon page to practice this. And we're going to do some sentence correction. You're going to see 5 sentences. Each one has a mistake. Your job is to find the mistake and let's rewrite it correctly. She does not likes coffee. Here we have does not. So the verb must be in what? The base form. So it should be like, not likes. She does not like coffee. They don't start work early. They don't start work early? They don't start work early. Once again, we don't want that S. I do not is a doctor. I do not is a doctor. Here the verb is be. So we don't use do not. with be. So what do we say? The verb is to be. I am not a doctor. Or I'm not a doctor. He is not work on Mondays. Here the verb is work, so we need to add do not or doesn't. He does not work on Mondays. We do not has cat. After do not, we use the base form of the verb, so it's not has. We would use have. We do not have a cat. And we're going to finish off here with a little speaking activity. On this slide, we're practicing present simple questions. Notice there are two different types of questions. So the question with do or does, and questions with be, am, is, or are. So let's look at some examples. Do you like chocolate? For this do question, the main verb is like. So the structure would be do plus I, you, we, or they, and the base form of the verb. Do you like chocolate? And here's the example. Yes, I do like chocolate. Or no, I don't like chocolate. So we see how we take the hints from the question to write our answer. Does she play football? This is a does question because the subject is he, she, or it. So it's does plus he, she, it, and the base form of the verb. And this is important. After does, the main verb is in the base form. So yes, she does. She plays football. Or no, she doesn't. She doesn't play football. So remember that difference when we have the negative. And I'll highlight it here for you now. Yes, she does. She plays football because it's positive. No, she doesn't. She does not play football. She plays. She doesn't play. So remember this. It's never doesn't plays. And we are going to move on to a quick summary of what we have learned today. First, we went through the present negative, and it has two main patterns depending on the verb. So we had the verb to be, where we make negative by adding not after the verb. I am not, he is not, they are not. She is not happy. They are not students. With other verbs like work, live, like, have, we use do not, does not, plus the base form of the verb. We also touched on contractions. How do we make the negative contractions? And these are common in spoken English. Do not becomes don't. Does not become doesn't. And we also use the base form of the verb after does or does not. We're always remembering not to add s, even if it's he, she, or it. It's he doesn't work, not he doesn't works. And we looked at these common mistakes, keeping s in negative sentences and realizing this is incorrect. So that is it for today, and with grammar made simple. If you want extra practice, access to our additional workbook and our homework worksheets to go with this course, you can sign up on our Patreon page. You'll find the QR code after this, or you can go to allmylinks.com/simple-ESL21. Here you can get money off tutoring, access to all of our worksheets, lessons, and all of our courses. You can also click on the link in the description or the QR code to get access to everything. We hope you found this useful, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day.